welcome to Step by Step by Miriam. In this short video, I would like to show you how to turn on VoiceOver on your iPhone. VoiceOver is an accessibility feature that enables visually impaired or blind users to navigate their iPhone by listening rather than by seeing. The first step is to select the Settings app on the home screen. Tap the Settings app. This now brings up the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, scroll down until you find General and tap General. In the General Settings menu, again scroll down until you see Accessibility. Select Accessibility. The Accessibility menu offers you multiple choices of different features that you can turn on to make your iPhone easier to use if you need help. We have Zoom and VoiceOver. We have larger text, inverted colours, among many of the options available to users. In this accessibility menu, scroll down to the very end. Here you will find Triple Click Home. Select the Triple Click Home option. Now select the VoiceOver. When you select VoiceOver, a little check mark will appear at the right-hand side. Now select the Home button on your iPhone to return back to the Home menu. Let's check the Triple Click Home button. This means you press the Home button 3 times, triple click. This means you press the Home button 3 times in quick succession to turn on VoiceOver. Let's see if it works.
VoiceOver on. Messages.
VoiceOver.
Double-tapped open.
VoiceOver on. Messages. VoiceOver is now announcing the first app on your home screen. In my next video, I will show you how to navigate your iPhone using the VoiceOver command. For now, let's see if we can switch it off again. Press the Home button on your iPhone 3 times quickly.
VoiceOver off.
VoiceOver is now off and your iPhone is returned back to working mode without VoiceOver switched on. Thank you for watching Step by Step by Miriam.